Alright friends, today in this very short video, gonna give you some good tips to save power or electricity in your own house. In UK, you can normally see that there are these bulbs which are normally there at the roof, which gives a good look to the ceiling, but the bulbs that we use are 50-watt halogens normally, which are not very energy efficient. So what I've done is I've replaced them with an LED bulb, which is a 4-watt bulb, and now you can see the difference. So this is a warm white LED bulb, and that one is a white bulb, and there's a very, you can't even see the difference between a 50-watt bulb and a 4-watt bulb. Once you've made a difference, be aware this is a 4-watt bulb which I have fitted. Earlier it was a 50-watt bulb, and the light which is coming out is exactly the same. I can't see any difference. On top of that, what you can do is what I've done is I've replaced the holder on my ceiling to enable it to use this CFL lamp. This is a 24-watt CFL lamp, which is equivalent to a 60-watt halogen bulb. And you can see, it illuminates the entire big room perfectly. So there's no problem with that. If you want to save energy further, what you can do is you can opt for another energy efficient way of doing it. So you can see here, these are 4-watt LED bulbs which I fit in my kitchen. So earlier they used to be 50-watt, which used to make 200 watts for these 4 bulbs, and now you can see this is just 20-watt and exactly the same amount of light which I can see. On top of that, what you can do is I've replaced the halogens with the CFL in the other room, but in this room, which is a bigger one, I've replaced the CFL with LED bulbs. So I'll just show you these bulbs. So you can see how they hang. They look like a halogen bulb, but these are white colored LED bulbs, and this is like 14 watt, and that this is a very big room, and these two bulbs illuminates the entire living room perfectly. So this is 14 watt, so for these two bulbs is 28 watt. There used to be 60-watt bulbs earlier, so it was 120 watt in place of the 24 watt 28 watt what I have now, and this illuminates the room better than the 260-watt bulbs. And these used to be 50-watt bulbs earlier, so 200 watt for four of these, and this is now 20 watt, and the light I can see in the area is much better. So this is something which we can easily do to improve our energy efficiency in the house, and that makes a lot of difference. So if I give you an example, these 3 bulbs used to be 150 watt. These 4 bulbs used to be 200 watts, so it was 350 watt, which has been replaced by 7 bulbs. So it's like 74, 28 watt. 350 watt has been replaced by 28 watt, and the energy and the light which comes out, I can see it's exactly the same or maybe better than that. And I prefer white light, so I replace white light LEDs. In the market you can see warm white light as well if you want. And I replaced the halogens with LED bulbs. It looks much better, white colored, and it's 24, 28, 28 watt, 14 watt each, so 28 watt in place of around 200 watt which was there earlier. So guys, I think it would be helpful for you. This video is going to be helpful. If you like it, subscribe my channel and also like my video and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good time.